welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little floral / animal print set. And it's a set that I created for the Charlie's Nail Art collab. So I'm starting off by using the Canni colour 484 Stary Silver, I think it's called, and it's from their Platinum series. Now I'm just going to show you me doing one coat of this, but I did do a second coat off camera. See, I'm going to be applying foil to these 4 nails, and it's got a silver background, but I've not got a silver gel polish. This is the closest that I had, so I wanted it to be quite opaque, so it looked more like a silver rather than a glitter. See, when I'm doing a full cover foil nail, I want there to be a similar colour underneath that foil, you know, just in case there's any patches where the foil hasn't transferred properly. So I try and go in with a similar colour to the background colour. So now I'm using the Makartt foil glue gel, my trusted glue gel of all. Love this glue gel. If anyone's looking for a foil glue that provides full coverage, then I'd recommend the Makartt all day long. So I'm going to apply that to all 4 nails because, like I said, these are going to be full coverage with transfer foil. And when you're doing a full coverage on a nail, you need to make sure that you don't miss any of the nail, because obviously if you don't get that foil glue in any places on the nail, then obviously the foil's not going to stick. So just take that little bit more time and make sure that you get it down the sides and you get that cuticle area nice and neat as well. Now remember, this Makartt is a glue gel, so it needs to be cured in a lamp. Now it does say to cure for 30 seconds, but I just find with my lamp 45 seconds does the job better than 30. So yeah, I cure it in my LED lamp for 45 seconds, and then as soon as it comes out the lamp, I'm going to apply the foil like you see there. And now I'm using my silicone tool and I'm just going to rub that into all the nooks and crannies. Make sure, again, I'm getting the edges and I'm getting that cuticle. I don't want to miss any bits. And this foil is called the Silver Leopard print foil from Charlie's Nail Art. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to pull them bits of foil off. And that should leave a full coverage on each nail. So now I'm using Makartt foil glue again, and I'm going to be applying a thin layer of that to the pointer finger and the ring finger. I'm going to be putting a couple of flowers on these 2 nails. And you'll see there I've cut the flowers out of this transfer foil because it's just easier to apply that way. I do like these transfer foils that have got the clear background because you haven't got to transfer it on the nail as it's laid out on the transfer foil. You know, you just cut bits out that you want to use, or you can apply it to the nail as it is laid out if you want to, but I just like that you can cut bits out and use what you want to use, you know. And again, this foil's from Charlie's Nail Art and it's called Floral Bliss. And I just decided here at the last minute I wanted a little one on the end of this nail as well.
can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go.
So that's all the transfer foil done. I'm now using the Lamooc matte top coat, and I'm going to seal all this foil in. And I really like this foil in matte. I really like it. So yeah, I thought I'm going to go with a matte set. So again, like with that foil glue, when using a matte top coat, make sure that you get it on all the nail. Make sure you get the side walls, the free edge, all around the cuticle. Just make sure that you get that on the whole of the nail, or else you're going to have shiny patches and that's just going to look stupid. Now before I cure this matte top coat, I am going to apply a bow on that middle finger just to tie it all in. I've got a pink leopard print bow, so I thought that would tie it in quite nicely. Now if I was doing this on my nails or somebody else's nails, I'd stick that bow down with gem glue, but just because I'm doing it on my silicone practice hand, I'm just going to stick it with the top coat, because it's great to hold it temporarily, but it just wouldn't last 5 minutes if it was on somebody's nails. And again, that bow is from Charlie's Nail Art. And that's them all done, guys. So what do you think? I actually really like them. I think they're really cute. And I just love that leopard print foil with the matte top coat. It looks so nice. As you'll see throughout the video, I have pinned in the top left hand corner of the screen Charlie's Nail Art website and my discount code, but I should also pop it in the description box as well. And you'll also find in my description box, guys, any products that I use in my videos, I'll always list in there. So if you see me using anything in my videos and you're interested in buying it, just head over to my description box and have a look. But if you don't find it in there, just leave me a comment and I'll gladly get that for you. Right guys, that's everything for this video. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.